So these are one of the things I don't like to reuse, which are these little little clamps you use for your fuel lines. For anyone who works on snowblowers, lawn tractors, lawn mowers, etc., use this 7/16 fuel line, 1/4 inch inside diameter. And clamps tend to be pretty expensive if you get them from Jack's Small Engine or wherever. And I got these off of eBay, which are from this place, Alpha Fastener. So this is a pack of 100. This thing would focus. And a minute. So this is how much it cost. Yep. $13. So, and if you compare them to online at like Jack's Small Engine, I know I buy these for like $1 a piece, about, or 50 cents a piece, and I usually buy them. So, good thing that I got these. And they fit on the fuel line a little tightly. Might get some bigger ones. They're meant for 7/16 fuel line. I like the ones that are a little bigger. These are what I usually get though. So yeah, I'm happy that I got these. So, save me some money. Yeah. Yep. Came in this little box. Tiny little box. And for packing, the added bonus, we got a Family Dollar catalog. Yeah. Yep. Get yourself some Marvel figures. There's some Quaker State motor oil. And Quaker State High Defy high mileage for $4 a quart. Yeah, look at that. Like a Family Dollar, give me some oil. Yeah, no. Fish sticks. Oh my god. Jesus. That's all. Using my Harbor Freight pliers. Couldn't find my cobalt ones.